Justice Littlehog, let's talk briefly about some of the folks who work in the judicial branch and give the public some understanding that there may be 7 Supreme Court justices, 288 district court judges, 19 Court of Appeals judges, but that is not everybody that helps deliver justice in Minnesota in the judicial branch. Talk a little bit about who some of those folks are. Our several thousand employees, and maybe also say a word about our law clerks.
I want to do a little shout out to law clerks because virtually every judge in our state has a law clerk. And these are bright people who've graduated, usually just graduated from law school. And they're getting some practical experience, and they are indispensable to our work. My law clerk is from St. Cloud. He's going to be practicing law at in a business firm. The law clerks come from a diversity of backgrounds, and we very much appreciate them. We have judicial administrative assistants as well that are very seasoned and helpful at the Minnesota Supreme Court. But it's when you get down to the district court level and you walk into a courtroom, but that's really kind of the tip of the spear. There are a lot of people behind it. There are probation and pretrial officers. There are court administrators, and I should mention, and by the way, trumpet the fact that the courts really are on the cutting edge of technology. And you've been very heavily involved in this, the court system is deeply committed to e-courts, where, we are in the 21st century, where documents can be accessible and filed electronically online. Now, it raises some interesting questions. Does this mean that a juvenile who commits a crime is going to have that information data mined and it's just going to follow him or her around for the rest of their lives? So there are very important questions of electronic access and dissemination, but the courts are moving on that, and we have some very dedicated people working on that. And I've just only started describing the people. I'll turn over to Justice Wright to add a few more.
Well, when I think about the people that populate our courts, it's really the people who are at the counters in the courtroom, in the courthouses throughout our districts, who are providing the human services to people who need to use the courthouse for one reason or the other. And so while we are moving to an electronic file, we will never be without the need for human beings and that human touch. And there are so many services that are provided at the counter to assist Minnesotans, to assist everyday people who are coming to the court for one particular matter or another, and who are using the courts for their most important affairs. And we have wonderful professionals who provide that kind of service.
And as long as we're at it, I want to give a shout out to some people not in the judicial branch, but those would be the court security officers, deputy sheriffs and so on that are providing security, moving prisoners in and out of jails and so on. They perform important work, they perform hazardous work, and they protect employees of the judicial branch. We've had some very terrible incidents in our courthouses in the state of Minnesota, including the shooting of a county attorney up in Cook County. And that's a concern because courts are the place where the vital, important things and some of the most, nastiest kinds of disputes are resolved. And it's just very important that our courts operate in a professional, safe, and secure manner.